Hey everyone, Bigfoot here, and this is my giant buddy, Ellie. Ready for a magical forest day?
First stop, river bath. Ellie loves to spray me more than herself.
Big appetite, big friend. She never says no to bananas.
Who needs a car when you've got Ellie Express?
Best natural spa ever. Mud masks for free.
We found this hidden waterfall ages ago. It's our favorite chill spot.
Every adventure ends with a sunset bract, the forest way of saying goodnight.
Thanks for coming along. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more forest fun. Bye!